G'day guys, Ryan here from Coffee Beans Delivered. Has your coffee ever come out tasting like you've put your face into a vat of lemon juice? Well, it's winter here in Australia, and that could be one of the reasons why your coffee's coming out sour. So today, we're going to tell you a bit about understanding your coffee better. You see, in wintertime, the weather is colder, and therefore coffee degasses at a slower rate. Now what does that mean? It means that the carbon dioxides that are trapped inside your beans release a lot more slowly. And these are the carbon dioxides that can cause sourness in your cup. Over the years, I've heard a lot of baristas say coffee has to be fresh, straight out of the roaster. However, that doesn't apply to espresso. Because we're effectively applying 9 times the Earth's atmosphere onto the coffee itself, we're forcing through that carbon dioxide, and that'll end up straight in our drink. So during winter, I prefer to degas the coffee for about 28 days. However, some coffees degas at different rates. So how do we know if our coffee is too fresh or not? Let's check it out. So here we have 2 hoppers with the same roast. One roasted 4 weeks ago, and this one roasted a couple of days ago. So we're going to look at both of those extractions so you can see the clear difference between the fresh coffee and the well degassed coffee. So let's first start with the degassed coffee so you can see what that should look like. And you see how even nice that flow is? That's what you're looking for. And here you can see what the fresh coffee looks like, and see all the bubbles coming through? They're the bubbles of carbon dioxide. And see how it goes thick and yellowish here? That's what makes it taste very sour. So side by side, you can see the very big differences in the extractions. So there you have it. That's one reason why your coffee may be tasting more sour. If it's cooler in the weather, make sure you degas your coffee a little bit longer. I'm Ryan from Coffee Beans Delivered. Enjoy your brew.